Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Drew again here at ASAP's 2017. I'm joined by Chris Massaro from LassoChat. Did I say your last name right?
You did. You
awesome. How's the show been for you guys so far?
It's been solid. Good time. Happy to be back. We got a decent little spot and signed up some clients. So it's going
Cool.
well.
Awesome. So tell us about LassoChat.
So Lasso, we monitor. We're a staffed live chat service for surgeons' websites. You know, we do all the staffing. We script out the questions. You know, train our operators on the basics of each plastic surgeon. You know, so they'll answer the really basic questions, but really it's all out of play of, you know, getting that visitor's attention, grabbing them before they leave the site, and turning that, you know, website visitor into an actual, you know, qualified lead.
Sure. So it's got to imagine it's a pivotal part in converting that visitor to a patient.
Yeah.
Especially so this managed live chat is at 24 hours. Mm-hmm. So if the doctor's not able to answer the phone or get back to a form, you guys are still there, right?
Yeah. So we do it 24/7. Right now we have it English and Spanish.
Okay.
We're looking into getting every language.
Awesome.
You know, so.
Awesome. Any new kind of features? What are some of the main components of it that our doctors should know about?
Lately, we have our core features. You know, one where we can transfer the visitor. Like if it's during office hours, some people have it set up. You know, transfer 8 to 5, and then so we'll ask the visitor, do you want to call right now from the office?
Sure.
And we just connect the two. That's one of our more popular ones. Recently, people are really getting into the analytic tracking of everything, you know, making sure you're getting a good return on your investment. So the way we do that is for every single new client that signs up, we give them a before and after. Like, okay, last month you got 1,000 visits out of your site, and you got 20 contact forms out of that. So we take 1,000 visits with Lasso, and we're like, okay, you got 18 contact forms, but you also got 22 chats. Just to kind of show them, you know, that's your increase right there. That's why you're using the chat, is to increase leads,
right?
Not necessarily just take away from, you know, contact forms or calls or anything like that.
Good stuff. So I got to imagine you get the occasional doctor who says, you know, this person did go through live chat, but they were, you know, maybe they were an existing patient, or they think that person would have picked up the phone and filled out a form anyways. How do you respond to that?
Yeah, so I you know, that's really the only way to find out is through the numbers, really, you know, because it's easy to think that, okay, this person's going to my site and they're gonna contact me. There's a reason they're on my site, but that's just not the case. You know, people are looking at 4 or 5 surgeons, looking at all kinds of different stuff before they even, you know, contact the practice.
Right.
So the way we do it is we show it. We're like, hey, you know, in the next 1,000 visits, you got a, you know, 80 to 90% increase in your conversion, and compare, you know, your total leads. Take your calls, take your contact forms, take your chats, compare that to a similar month where you got the same amount of visits, and that's how you actually can see the value of it.
Awesome. Good stuff. Anything else you want to talk about with LassoChat?
No, I mean, we try to keep everything pretty simple. You know, there's no minimum time. People try it out. You know, it's not a fit for everybody, but
okay,
you know, it's just a month-to-month renewal service, so it seems to be catching on. And
if a doctor's interested, where should they go? LassoChat.com, or what's the website?
So it's a weird URL. It's Lasso, LASSO.chat.
Okay.
CHAT.
Okay.
So it's a different URL, but yeah, they can find out all our features, a little bit more information out there.
Cool.
Yeah.
Good stuff. All right. Well, thanks for joining us, man.
All right. Thanks, Drew.
Good luck. Take care.
Appreciate it.